Happy hump day, and may the 4th be with you. And yes, that is from Baby Yoda himself. Also, if you notice, there's an adorable little portrait that my 5-year-old Lo drew for my office. Super cute. Absolutely adore kids. Anyways, on today's jam-packed episode of the O Show, we're going to be covering some of the top cryptocurrencies of this week, a general market overview, Elon Musk being a weirdo again, well, the weird Uncle Elon, and of course the FOMC meeting and what that could mean for the entire crypto space. Mandatory cringe introduction incoming. Welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto and NFTs every day. I'm your host with the most, Wendy O. Thanks for coming back. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe with alerts set, follow me on Twitter and TikTok. Now, when we take a look at the entire crypto market, we're doing pretty decent considering we're pretty much in the red, which I absolutely love. Now, taking a look at Bitcoin, we actually broke above our trend line yesterday at about 38.2, and then we kissed 39.2, had a swing wick high of 39.5, and we're back kind of down again. This is the 45-minute chart. Taking a look at the daily chart, let's see where she's at. I really need to see a candle close above. Really want to see a candle close above the 39.3 area. Market cipher is looking actually pretty good at the bottom. Really good. And also too, you guys note that we do have important resistance at $40,200. So I'm just going to vibe today and kind of see what happens. I'm kind of feeling like we may get a move up to 40,000, then a move back down in this range between 39.2 and 37. Who knows? Anyways, though, let's go ahead and talk about how to make some money with altcoins. When Bitcoin is doing that sideways thing, like you saw that consolidation on the 45-minute, massive move isn't coming. But I can't believe I missed this one story from APECOIN because I'm a holder. One of the world's largest Web3 ecosystems, Polygon, formerly known as Matic, now supports APECOIN, making it available to 19,000 plus dApps and games across the board. So, as most of you know, APECOIN, Bored Ape Yacht Club, Yuga Labs had their land drop thingy, whatever, over the weekend. And you basically had to mint land or your NFTs. And because APECOIN is utilizing Ethereum and the Bored Ape Yacht Club is utilizing Ethereum, transactions went absolutely bonkers. I think the highest transaction was $45,000 to get this land. So we know that there's a problem with Ethereum. So the fact that APECOIN is going to be working with Polygon, well, kind of partnering with them in a way, utilizing their ecosystem, is actually really good because Polygon Matic is a layer 2 solution. And yes, I do have a moon bag of this. So I love it. I think it's great. Some people don't like it, which is absolutely hilarious in the mentions. Somebody says, bro, who the F uses Matic? And this one person says, you know, went ahead and showed all of the different stats regarding Matic. So we got to use whatever works. I'm here for it. I absolutely like it. Now, before we cover Matic and APECOIN, let's talk about what Elon Musk did. So, of course, Elon Musk loves to troll the internet, hence why he bought Twitter. So he went ahead and posted this picture, this collage of all of these apes. And it actually pumped the price of APECOIN, which I'll show you in a little bit. Then he said, I don't know, seems kind of fungible. What he's meaning is basically a bunch of people you're able to right-click NFTs and say you own them, but when in all actuality, you don't really get to own them because he can't sell them. He can't sell all those screen cap stuff. So whatever, he's just kind of trolling. But let's go ahead and take a look at the chart and see what happened. So yesterday we had a massive move up to $17.47. I believe this move happened within an hour time frame. Yeah, because that's exactly when Elon Musk tweeted about posted the picture of the Bored Ape Yacht Club. So of course we had a massive move up to the EMA 200 because Elon Musk loves to move markets. He can do that. He's got a lot of influence. And then we had a pretty gnarly retreat. Now, taking a look at the hour chart, we're actually looking kind of decent. If we can stay above $15.22, we'll go ahead and tackle 1663 again. However, because all the hype has kind of died down with APECOIN for a little bit, I would be immensely weary. Also, this long swing wick high to 1759, I don't like it. So again, I would be wary. I would probably pick up more ape between $12.24 and $10.67, depending on what the market is doing. Now, taking a look at Polygon here. Polygon is actually ranging really well in our support box we talked about Sunday. I love it. I'm here for this. MACD looks like it's going to bull cross and head up. Even though the news was posted yesterday or the day before, or I think, when was it? On the 2nd, regarding APECOIN and And Matic, we really didn't get a whole lot of price action because the market wasn't really too sexy. But we're starting to move upward. I like the way the EMA 9 is turning. Me personally, I would need to at least see $1.35 flipped. I'm not going to actively be trading this. I have a fat bag of Matic, and I'm staking it on Celsius, earning my passive income. So it doesn't really matter what the heck this thing does. I am just kind of vibing. About what's happening with Polkadot, because there's a lot of really, really cool things happening. And I've got my notes to share with you guys. So according to the article from the blog, Polkadot now lets you natively send tokens across parachains, which we've been waiting for that for a long time. Polkadot launches a new cross-chain messaging system to solve its blockchain bridge issues. Introduced cross-chain messaging system called XCM. XCM is a token messaging format facilitating the exchange of crypto across Polkadot's parachains. This will allow all parachain users and devs to exchange data and crypto between them. They will make it easier for users of these blockchains to send tokens from one parachain to the other. And this is important for Polkadot to be truly interoperable. Interoperable is basically when two separate chains like Bitcoin and Ethereum talking together. Two completely separate changes. Also, too, there was a quote from a lead dev. From lead.dev. Now that Polkadot's cross-chain messaging protocol has been enabled, Polkadot has fulfilled its objective to be a fully interoperable and multi-chain ecosystem. I'm here for it. And I've got not a big bag of DOT, but I've got a big enough bag of DOT. But let's go ahead and take a look at Polkadot, see what she's doing, see if there's anything bullish. Right now, we're literally just ranging between 1566 and 1366. Market is looking like we're going to end up heading upward. So hopefully when we talk about the FOMC meeting that's happening today at 2:30 p.m. ET, then we can get some bullish price action. But hold on a second. Me personally, I think if we are able to break above 1604, we will hit about $19.44 on the daily. Now, I want to talk about this right here. So we all know the FOMC meeting is coming, and basically in these FOMC meetings with the Federal Reserve, all the public servants and fancy suit Fs, they just kind of talk about what's going to happen with the market. Are we going to raise interest rates? Are we not going to raise interest rates? Anyways, a short summary of what could happen. The central bank is expected to accelerate the pace of monetary tightening with a 50 basis points 0.5 percentage points rate hike and announce quantitative tightening, a phrase reduction in the size of the balance sheet that has doubled nearly $9 trillion in the last 2 years. The 50 basis point hike would lift the Fed funds target rate to 0.75% to 1%, a base point equaling 0.01%. Even though this doesn't sound like a whole lot, this is freaking crazy, you guys. Basically what they want to do, they want to slow down the money, but they just keep printing more money. So it's kind of counterproductive. I really do think they will raise interest rates today. If I'm wrong, I am wrong. But I think this is overall bullish for Bitcoin. We're going to see a lot more people turn to Bitcoin because what the heck is even happening? They're raising these interest rates to kind of slow down spending, but at the same time, it's like I like to talk about it when it comes to the housing market. They're raising interest rates. So basically they're able to loan money out for more money, making them money. But when house prices drop down, the people that are selling the houses are not going to be able to really capitalize on that capital, which kind of stinks for maybe, for example, a family that wants to sell their home in California and move to Florida. So basically I can sell my home for less and then go to Florida and buy a home for less, but I'm gonna have to pay more in interest rates because I don't necessarily have liquid $1 million to buy a home in Florida or 500,000 liquid. So either way, it's ridiculous and it's all eventually all going to implode. Opt out, buy Bitcoin. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. I will catch you all later. Bye-bye.